welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star Holiday Collection mystery boxes, the premium and the mini. I already unboxed the deluxe in another video. I'll link it down below, but if that is something you're interested in, keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to try and make this video quick. It is thunderstorming outside, hence why my hair looks like this. I got rained on. The boxes did not get rained on though. The boxes did not get rained on. And I'm scared the electricity might go out or flicker or lose or what. I'm just trying to get this done. Trying to get it straight to the point. So, besides the mystery boxes, I had my fiance help me for the first time ever. And I actually got the, what is it called? Tie-dye berry hoodie. I almost got the 5th anniversary, but I didn't, and I'm glad I didn't because it was in the mystery boxes. But I got this one. It goes with my hair. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna put it on. I got a large. I'm gonna take my sweater off. I'm gonna try to not get it on my nose because that's what always happens. Yes. So cute. I would give y'all a full body, but there's really not enough room. Oh, she cute. So that's what y'all gonna get. Okay. Okay. That is so cute. Oh, new fave hoodie, I think. Like, it just goes so well. I feel like I'm camouflaged. You love it? I love it. I was so close to getting the like nude one too, but this looked like my jam. Oof. Okay, so next I got the 5th anniversary edition of Androgyny. It's one of my favorite shades. Look, I'm gonna wear it with this. Oh, I'm not gonna open this one because I already have one open. So I'm gonna save this one because I very well may use it on my wedding. I'm not sure yet. I'm still testing out like a lot of shades. So I'm not quite sure what I want to wear on my lippies yet, but we're gonna figure it out. And someone by then might come out with something more perfect. So yeah, let's now, okay, now that we got that out of the way, let's dive in to the mystery boxes. So I started with the deluxe, so I'm going to go in reverse. So next we're gonna do the premium. I'm also doing a giveaway in this video. I have some things that I'm already giving away. I might give some out of these. I'm gifting a lot of it too as Christmas and birthday gifts and whatnot. But I do so far have 3 items to give away. I will explain more at the end when I figure out the sitch in these boxes. Okay? Okay. This is the premium box. This is the middle box. And this is what it looks like. Ooh. My little girl's going, stickers. Stickers. We love stickers. So, more tissue paper. Love me some tissue paper. If you got a gift from me with tissue paper this year, there's a 90% chance that it was Jeffree Star's. Okay, so the stickers. This also came in the deluxe boxes. They are the exact same stickers as in the deluxe boxes. They are so cute. I've already put some on Christmas gifts as tags and whatnot. Well, I actually cut them out and then put a piece of tape so that they can reuse the sticker if they want. But I put it like as their like little name tag. It's cute. So love me some stickers. Stickers aren't for everyone though, just like pop sockets weren't for everyone. So you either love it or you hate it. Next, what am I grabbing? Ooh, this is Coral Fixation. Ooh, I do not have this one yet. This matches the tracksuit I got in the Halloween mystery boxes perfectly. I'm like, I always debate, do I swatch? Do I wait? Because then I get it all over. Let's just do it, okay? I'm not a very good swatcher, but that's beautiful. I was trying to do like teeny tiny, like middle of my hand, so maybe it could avoid, I don't know. Should I actually have tissue this time? Okay, so that's Coral Fixation. I love it. Not for everyone, but I love it. And I do not have it. So, next. Okay, I don't know if I said this, but the deluxe box was $100. And that was the biggest box. And it had 8 items, an apparel, and 1 exclusive cosmetic item. The premium was this one, middle one, was $60, and it contains 5 items, no apparel, 1 cosmetic exclusive item. And then the mini box was $20, and it contains 3 items in it. Moving along, just in case anybody didn't know. So next, ooh, we got liquid highlight. I don't believe I have this one. I'm gonna go run and check. I'm gonna put the video on pause before I do the giveaway stuff. If I have this one, I'll put it in the giveaway. If I don't have it, then I'm gonna keep it. Or if I don't like it, gift it to someone who doesn't care if I used it. Next. Ooh, there's a question mark. There's a question mark. It's a Christmas question mark. Ooh. Ooh, that is pretty. We're gonna put it on my lips. We're gonna do it. I have a MAC lipstick on already. I'm gonna try and wipe some off. Okay, so I tried to wipe my lipstick off as best as I could. So this, from first initial looks, it kind of looks like poinsettia, I believe. Ooh. That goes on like butter. Okay, so red is a very dangerous color for me to put on camera without like any lip liner or anything. So don't judge the application. But this shade is gorgeous. That is the perfect Christmas shade. I will totally be wearing it on Christmas. And red shades are hard with me because like it has to be like, it has to match well. It has to blend well. And this, now, we should all know what this is. Ooh. Blue Blood. In all her glory. Oh my God. I will be keeping this one. because I'm hitting pan on a lot of my shades already. This is just so pretty. So pretty. I actually have my Blue Blood on display shelf and I have to take it down every time I use it. So this one's gonna go on the display shelf while I use the heck out of my other one. But that is awesome that this is in here. Like, he really outdid himself. I probably should have like looked at all the prices of everything so I could have been like, this is what it totals up to. But I really don't care what it totals up to because I know that it is going to be well worth my while. And it sure is. Like, this is probably top 5. No, I say probably. This is one of my top 5 favorite palettes. Like, it's beautiful. Okay, so enough of me yakking. That's it of the middle box. Next is the mini. My lovely tissue paper. So, like all the other boxes, we have a set of stickers. Now this one, it's the same stickers. So this one I will be putting in the giveaway bin. Next, we have 818. Beautiful shade. I believe I have this one. I'm going to check on that too. That's in the check pile. If I do, I will put it in the giveaway. Next, we have a lip scrub. This one is chocolate covered strawberries. I already have this one, so I'm going to be not putting in the giveaway, but in my gift. I know, giveaway gift. In my gift for Christmas presents and birthday presents and whatnot. So that is it out of the mini box. If I were to just get one, I'd probably go with the middle just because it has an exclusive cosmetic item and the minis usually don't. Whichever one has the exclusive cosmetic item, I would go for that, because this, or if you got the big box with the peppermint palette, like, girl, I love them all. It's hard for me to not get them all. I only went for the big ones and then I checked out and I was like, oh my gosh, the premium and the mini are still available. So I got back in line, checked out again. So I had 3 different orders. He ordered the hoodie for me, which I love. New fave hoodie. Now, I'm gonna pause real quick. I'm gonna go see what I have and I'll be right back. Okay, so I do not have the frozen peach. If I do, I don't know where it's at. If I find it before I use this, I'll put this in a giveaway at a later date. Okay, so I do have the 818 shade, so that will put this in the giveaway. I have Huntington Beach liquid lip. I'll put this in the giveaway. I have a sheet of stickers. I'll put this in the giveaway. I have Caramel Kiss, so I'll put this in the giveaway in a Supreme Frost. And then I have a leftover from my last giveaway, Mini Breaker. So this is what we're gonna do a little different this time because I couldn't get a hold of anyone to get this. Nobody wanted it. I did an announcement video, then that person didn't claim, so I messaged another person, no one. So this is what we're gonna do. What we're gonna do. Make sure, of course, you like this video or thumbs down it, share this video, but make sure you're subscribed. And then, most importantly, comment down below your email and or Instagram handle. That way I can get a hold of you. Now, commenting and entries end December 31st, 2019. I will private message you telling you you won. by, I think it's Sunday, January 5th of 2020. So that gives everybody a good chance to enter. Now I'm gonna give all of this to one person, one lucky winner. And if you do not respond to my email or Instagram direct message, you have until the following week that I message you to claim it. So comment down below if you would like to win all of these goodies. I was gonna do like individual winners, but since it has the stickers in it, I just feel like one person who would win part of it would get upset because they didn't win the stickers, and you're just gonna get it all, okay? If I don't drop it all, I got it. So that's it. Make sure to comment down below. It ends December 31st. So I think that's it. Be sure to like and subscribe and turn on the little bell for notifications to see more when I post. Okay. Bye, y'all.